morning, everybody. How's it going? It's going pretty good. It is a beautiful Saturday morning, and I am out here at Chatfield State Park in Colorado, getting ready to do some paddling and some fishing. I'm almost set up and just put in the last few items in my boat, but right now, just make sure everything's ready. It's supposed to be a really hot day, looking at temperatures almost to 100 degrees. I figure what better way to stay cool than to come out to the lake and come paddling and fishing. Instead of last time when I came out here, I just decided to do more exploring than I did fishing. Bruce, out. So, yeah, I'm gonna get ready to get into the water here shortly. It's pretty early. It's just barely past 6. I got here a little after 5. Had to carry all my stuff down. Nothing really special. I was gonna go to Gross Reservoir, but weather up there is gonna be different with thunderstorms and rain afternoon for the rest of the day. Out down here, it's going to be sunny, hot, and no rain, no thunder, no lightning, just perfect day. The wind's picked up a little bit, but nah. Well, for now, I'll see you guys in the boat. itself. We're on the water now. Probably looks a little different. Quality, audio. This is first time I'm using my DSLR out on an adventure. The camera's set up on a tripod in the boat. The boat's pretty evenly weighed out right now. So now it's just pick a direction and go. Which might just go straight. I've never had a camera set up on a tripod in my boat. Oh, big fish just jumped. And the water's starting to get a little choppy because I'm paddling against the wind. Oh, it can't be blowing the other way. They're still doing construction out here, so the east side access is still closed off, so you still have to park way up here if you want to access. Wow, that was a huge fish. Guarantee it was a carp, but still, it was a pretty good sized fish that just jumped out in front of me. Another one. Yeah, those were definitely carp that I just noticed. Yellowish colored. Carp are good for like testing out your carp are best for just regular fishing. I don't want to take those things home and eat them now. That's just gross. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but in this little valley I'm in, all these trees around, there are fish moving around like crazy. I mean, I don't know if they're bass or if they're carp, but they're making a lot of ruckus around here, and this might be a nice prime fishing spot because it is just everywhere around me. So I might cast out. When I was paddling out towards this way, I was casting out and I did get a hit, but I lost him. So let's try. Well, I made it on land right now. Been here for maybe about 20 minutes. Ate some milk and donuts and did a little bit of fishing. The wind's kind of simmered down a little, but still blowing. Not as bad. I was just checking the weather forecast and ow. Something bit me. But I was checking the weather forecast and it's gonna get hot around 1 and at its max temp around 2. Clouds are pushing away. Still a gorgeous day. But I think here soon I'm gonna try and paddle back up the river now that the wind's kind of mellowed out, so I could get to the island. And then I think I'm going to swim off the island. It's pretty deep water in front of it, so this is kind of shallow. I'd have to walk out a ways just to go out and go swim, but up there I'll be alright, and it's an island. Beautiful day. Paddled across crazy winds just to get here. I was gonna go to the other side of the lake, but the winds were just rough and it's a long ways to the other side, so I turned around and I came back to these small areas and here I am. Still very early. It's just barely 9:30, so still a gorgeous day. Still so much to do and so much to see. But for now, yeah, gonna hang out for a little longer, and I think I'm gonna move on out. And alright, round 2. Trying to paddle up the river. Get to the island so I can go swimming. How's it going, guys? Oh wow, you got a dog with you. Yeah, I couldn't trust him on one of those. He'd just bail out any time. Oh, he was like that when I first took him out. I was just gonna get him to sit still, and after a few plunges in the water, he started learning. They'll pick up soon. Well, I think I found my area after paddling around for a while. I think I finally found my spot. Seems like a pretty good area with some shade. Ow. Okay. Lots of perkly grass, but oh gosh. Nice little pathway. Some tall grass, but there is some shade around here and pretty decent view. When I got to the river and I found my pull-off spot, I went and walked it. I didn't like it. There was a lot of geese poop everywhere. And I was parked on a hill. I didn't like that either. The current was strong. Me and Bruce went for a swim and it was just bad. Bruce almost got swept away. I almost got pulled away. I mean, it's not that strong where you have to paddle. You just got to swim a little extra harder to get back, but this right here is a nice little lake. It's carp, bass in here. I'll try and fish for those. I think I found it. I'm gonna start unloading the boat and let's get set up. This is my storage tub. This is what I keep everything in here. My chair, some extra bandanas and things for Bruce. It's very hot. So I'm gonna get it in the shade. Waterproof backpack, has all my food and stuff in there, which I'm going to break open here soon. Well, I'm all set up, hanging out, relaxing, getting ready to eat some food. Alright, so oh man. Hello, Bruce. Yes. pepper. All right. So for lunch, got these roasted pepper Italian style pinwheels. Got some Doritos. I got some grilled chicken Caesar pasta salad. Yum. Last but not least, I got a Cajun roast beef pretzel sandwich. I'm gonna get ready and start grubbing down. Starting with the pinwheels. Oh my gosh. Bugs around me. That is delicious. I am full. Alright, time for the pasta. Alright, I'm gonna start paddling off to another area kind of closer to my truck before it gets even worse. I was looking at the forecast and the wind speeds will pick up here in like next hour and a half. It gives me plenty of time to make it on my way back more closer, and then it won't be such a hassle, because right now I'm on the other end of the lake and I'm parked almost on the other side, so I got a distance to cover. So I'm gonna load up and see you in the boat.
Bye, Bruce. All right, ready, Bruce? 2,